This is 9.6, solving exponential equations. Exit ticket. A dastardly criminal planted 53 ounces of kryptonite in a safety deposit box in a bank near the Daily Planet building in 1965. If any amount over 3 ounces will immobilize Superman, will it be safe for the Man of Steel to enter the bank vault to stop a robbery on New Year's Eve 2015? Kryptonite has a half-life of 10.76 years. Explain. Alright, so I am going to need to use my half-life formula. So I start off with the principal amount times a half, total time divided by time in a half-life. And that will be what my remaining amount is. I know that I have 53 ounces. It's a half-life. My total time from 1965 to New Year's Eve, which is all of 2015. So from 1965 to 2015, let's see, 2015 minus 1965, 50 years. So I've got 50 years, and time and a half-life is 10.76. I want to find out how much kryptonite is still left there. So I'm just going to put this into my calculator. 53 times 0.5 to the exponent. I have 50 divided by 10.76. And I get that there's approximately 2.1 ounces of kryptonite. So, is it safe? Yes, it's safe because it's less than 3. Yes, it's safe because 2.1 ounces is less than 3 ounces. Okay? Next question wants to know, in what year will it first be safe for Superman to enter the vault? So this time I know that I'm starting with 53 times 0.5. I don't know the time, but I have to divide it by 10.76, and I need it to be less than 3. Oh, sorry, can't see that. Alright, so let's start solving. I'm going to divide both sides by 53. Then I get 0.5 to the t over 10.76 is less than, I'm just going to leave that 3 over 53. I'm going to take the log of each side. And then I'm going to move that to the front. T over 10.76 times the log of 0.5 is less than the log of 3 divided by 53. Okay? I've got to get rid of this 10.76, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 10.76. I cancel here, and I get t times the log of 0.5 is less than, I'm going to put the 10.76 in the front so it doesn't look like it's part of what I'm taking the log of. The log of 3 over 53. Last thing I need to do, because I'm solving for t, is divide both sides by the log of 0.5. So t has to be less than. Let's see what it has to be less than. Let's first start with the log of 3 divided by 53. Oops, sorry. Log of 3 divided by 53. Multiply that by 10.76. And divide that by the log. Did I hit divide? I don't think I hit divide. Divide that, sorry there, that time I did hit divide, by the log of 44.5, and I get 44.6. Because I want this to be less. Actually, I know that this looks like this should say t is less than 44.6, but what I just realized is that the log of 0.5 is negative, which means I divided by a negative here. And when you divide by a negative, it switches the sign. We learned that in Algebra 1, I believe. So I have to be greater than like 44, a little over 44 and a half years. So let's see, 1965 plus 44.6, 1965 plus 44.6, 2009.6, so somewhere I'm actually in the year 2010 because I've gotten to 2009 and I've gone beyond. So in the year 2010 is the year I will first be able to have Superman enter the vault, sometime in the year 2010.